Why are these spears in the middle of the ocean? These spears belong to an interesting creature. The narval is a marine mammal that lives in cold Arctic waters and is known for its distinctive spiral-shaped long tooth. This unique tooth has earned the narval the nickname the unicorn of the sea. The narval's long tooth is actually a canine tooth and can grow up to 3 meters in length. This tooth is an amazing feature that helps the narval to sense various environmental factors around it, such as water temperature, salinity, and pressure.